Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be installing this Cobb Accessport that we got a couple days ago. I'm gonna be downloading the tune onto my car. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for that. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so this is the two things that we get. I believe the Accessport is in this case, and okay, some stickers and stuff. I think the wires and stuff like that will be in this. But yeah, let's just open it up. Alright, this is the Accessport. That's the mount. They gave us the owner's manual, of course. Another sticker, few stickers. I think this is a USB cable for it to connect to the computer and stuff. Yeah, let's just open this one up now. Alright, this seems to be like the cable we connect to the car with. Another mount for the Accessport, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, and that thing was just the lighting. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to my garage and probably just install it. And hello, buddy. What do you want? Alright, okay. Well, I turned the screen off so I can save some battery. Because I'm low-key scared that my car's battery is gonna be ass, and the Accessport is gonna F it up. But yeah, I turned the lights off, everything off. Well, this is gonna be satisfying to peel off.
2 hours later.
Never mind, I'll just peel off the sticker, and that'll be. Oh, I just realized that you can take this whole gray part off and then get to that paper film or the plastic film. But yeah, I'll just do that later. I just want to install this thing first and do the cosmetics later. So what we're going to do is install, plug this in first, and the best way is to see this light thing, and it goes all the way down parallel, and there's a switch right here, and that's where it connects. You're going to get the Accessport, and you're pretty much going to connect it. Press these two side things in, and it's connected. Like that. Oh yeah, something came up. Alright, this part came up, so you're gonna just press OK, telling us directions. Alright, install. There's either install or there's either troubleshoot. So you can either use this device to see what your codes are, or like if you have a check engine light, or you can just install the base map or like the new tune or stuff like that. Yeah, but we're gonna install the tune. So yeah, for the ignition, you're just pretty much gonna press this, and I'm gonna close the door so it doesn't use. You're just gonna confirm that your car is this USDM 2017 Mustang Ecoboost automatic transmission. Okay. Anti-theft mode. See, there's different stages. You can do anti-theft mode. You can do stage 0, which is the stock tune. You can do stage 1 with 91 octane, 93 octane. Stage 2, 91 octane, 93, and valid mode. I'm not gonna do the stage 1 modes because you guys know I'm gonna get a PD tuned. I just need the base tune and the base numbers. Press OK. Warning. Yeah, the battery. If you have an effed up battery, please do not do this. Okay. Yep, the battery stuff. Factory backup. I feel like it's already gonna be there with PD tuning once everything comes up. But yeah, I'll just skip it. So yeah, now it's gonna wake. I heard it takes about 20 minutes, 30 minutes for the entire thing to load up on the Accessport. Right, it was 100%. Now the car just re-flashed. I just turned back on and off again. Yeah. What does it say? It says the installation was successful. Please turn the ignition key to the off for at least 15 seconds before starting the vehicle. Cool. Turn it off. 15 seconds. Okay. I don't know why the camera's blurry. Alright, on the Cobb Accessport, there's gauges, performance, troubleshooting, tune, what is this? Uninstall. Okay, we're not gonna do that accidentally. Yeah, but let's just see what the gauges are about. Yeah, so you can have a total of 6 gauges. It appears to be, yeah. We're not gonna do that right now. Okay, let's just give it a try. Okay. Can we add a little more? Oh, so you can have change monitor. Oh, you can have all of these things on there. You can have lighting, fuel, scaler. Okay. How about boost? Would boost be on here? Alright, I think I found it. Boost pressure. Okay. 0.6. Let me just start up the car. Let's see if it changes. Oh, that was a scary start. But yeah, the boost pressure is on. I definitely need to tune this car ASAP. Alright. It smells like fuel in the garage, so yeah. But that's the installation. So you pretty much have to log it, and I'm gonna be sending stuff back to PD tuning with this. But they told me to install this and do the tuning form. Let's just do that next. Look at what I discovered. So on performance, I can do the 0 to 60 times. I know I have it on my car as well, but I feel like this would be more accurate. And the other option is the quarter-mile time. So I don't even have to go to the track. Obviously, you do it on the track, not on the street. But so I was wondering how this thing turns off, because my car is off, and I just want to turn this thing off so I can mount it. So I was going into setup, and it says you can turn on and off the settings with the car. So it turns off with the car and turns on with the car. Let's see what we can do here. It says enable auto off or enable low battery shutdown. No, on and off. So I'm gonna use this that we got to mount it on the car. So pretty much it's pretty basic. You pretty much use this, get those two ends, push it in there, and you just slide it down. There you go. And tighten it right here, but I already tightened it before. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And you just take this weird piece off, and I'm just going to put it right here. Alright, we are done with the install. There you go, it's mounted perfectly on that piece. Yeah, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna submit this form at PD Tuning. So we're gonna go parts tuning request form right here. Alright, and now I'm gonna fill this out. So we're gonna do Cobb Accessport. We'll put the serial number over there. Yes, we have it connected, installed into a car. Vehicle ID. Okay, I have to watch the video. Current modifications. I'll put in all the modifications and fuel types. We're gonna do 91 octane, not full E85 right now. Okay, so I know I can run full E85 with my high pressure fuel pump, but I'm choosing not to right now. I feel like my injectors aren't big enough. So if I were to buy bigger injectors and upgrade them, it will be more efficient for the E85. I know the stock injectors do max out 450 horsepower. So if I do want to hit that 500 horsepower mark, it's better to get bigger injectors and then get the full E85 tune. Alright, just submitted the tuning request form. I have to get the serial number by connecting the Cobb Accessport to the computer. So yeah, they said they'll be in touch within 3 business days. So hopefully next video is a tuning video, which I'll be really excited about.